Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I wanted to show to you how global variables are referenced inside assembly code. For example, I have a global variable I equal to 1. I'm referring I here inside the main function and incrementing it by 2 and putting it back to global variable I. So let's look at the assembly code for this. I already compiled it, so we can quickly recompile just to show you anything special in the compiler flags. Nothing. I'm just compiling it with regular GCC option. And I'm going to load it inside GEB, disassemble it. And I want to show you a couple of important things right here. Here is the address, not the number, not the regular scalar. Okay, it's an address. The reason I say there's an address is there's no dollar in the front. If there is a dollar, it means actual scalar value, but there's no dollar here. It means we are referring to an address. Okay. Now we can actually even inspect the content of that address. It's value 1. Note that I didn't even run the program yet. I'm able to examine the memory content of that address because it's already resolved at the link time. Okay. And then, of course, now we can put a breakpoint and study over here at the moment when E3 is hit. Okay. What is the value of EAX? Does EAX also have the same value, meaning 1, right? Because we're transferring 1 to EAX, right? So let's do that. Let's run it. And now we can look at the value of EAX. It's going to be 1. Yeah. Although this sounded like we are moving this particular value to EAX, all we are doing is memory referencing this address and then transferring it to EAX. Okay. Similarly, as you can see here, after adding 2 to the EAX value, we are transferring the EAX value back to the memory address 80A18. Okay. So that's basically how we handle global variables. Global variables are handled slightly different in the sense that the address is actually hard-coded as part of the assembly. At the link time, when the linker was able to resolve unique address for each global variable, you will see assembly statements having the actual global variables value. Okay.